Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with an updo style where I just do a rope twisted braid and then I put it into a side bun. For this hairstyle I just made my slightly diagonally side parting, so check that your parting is neat, make a clean line, and then I'm prepping the hair just with some oil that gives shine. I'm having this one from Garnier, just 1 to 2 pumps. And I just massage it through, especially the ends and then to the top layer. And here I'm taking a portion of hair right by the side of the parting. Then I split it into 2 equal strands. And now I am turning to the front, flip it around, and then both strands, and then I bring it to the opposite direction behind. I'm adding in hair to the front strand and adding in hair to the second strand. I am turning these together to the front, both strands separately, and then bringing over the front over the back strand. Now again, take some hair from the front, add it to the front strand. With the thumb, I'm grabbing some hair from the back. So I'm turning these combined strands to the front and then the front strand to the front and then over to the back side. Again, take a section of hair, incorporate it to the front strand, take some hair from the back. There is no need that this is a neat or defined line, because later we cover it up when we do the bun. Turn it to the front and bring one over the other, and like this, bit by bit, until you are more or less at the height of the ear. You are incorporating hair, and then at the end you just turn to the front both strands and flip over the front over the one behind. This is how you do a rope strand braid, very easy. It's always turning to one side both strands and then flipping over to the opposite side. At the end, just take a clear elastic, and for the time being I'm clipping this braid away. Now I'm grabbing all the other hair, and this is why it was not important to have a neat line, because when you grab the hair and pull it over to the side, you cover most of the parting, so you won't see any parting there. Make a low ponytail, or like grab it like into a ponytail. Now again, 2 strands, and here I'm turning it to the back and flipping it over to the front. Turning to the back, flipping over to the front. There is no hair to incorporate, so it's very, very easy. Just do a regular rope twist braid, and at the end we insert a clear elastic to hold everything together. And now we have 2 rope twisted braids. There they are. And now I'm wrapping the one from behind over the one from the front, and I just hold it for the time being with one bobby pin, pin it into place. And now I have these, I don't know what the spirals things, spoolies, they have a special name. If you know the name, leave me a comment down below. And you just turn them like a screw into the bun, and it holds perfectly, really. I had this bun the whole day and it was perfect fit. I'm just there where I want to have grip, I put them into shape, and then for the little hairs that are sticking out like the end of the braid, I'm using some extra bobby pins just to make sure that nothing loosens up during the day. And then I'm making a bit wider the front braid because I wanted to give it more volume, and using some accessories that I have, some little hearts. You can use whatever you like, and if you like it, but I thought it looked cute. And this is the final result, 2 rope braids that are just twisted into each other to a side bun. Hope to see you back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.